Okay, so I do apologize, but we did not have enough service. So you will see here, we do have the 2-car carport, and it does look like they have a burn pit for where they are burning their trash. So let me step back and I'll show you the full 2-car garage. There's a shed on the property as well for storage. Here's the view. It's very quiet and very country setting. So here's the 2-car carport, and then you do have, so right now you can see here they've just thrown all of their old charcoal to the side, so that would need to be cleaned up. And then on this porch, it is quite high without a railing, so most likely an appraiser is going to flag that. So you have a nice brick, and it's like a yellow beige siding. This is the basement level, because it's kind of like almost a tri-level, and it has a exterior door. There's your neighbor's house. So you have an old dog kennel. And then here is the back of the house. There's a large antenna still up there, an old dish, and part of like a play set. So here, I will take pictures like you had asked, but here is the HVAC unit just in the video. I will say the tags are quite worn, but again, I will take pictures. And then now we are at the back patio. And then we are back in the carport, and there is a very nice porch swing. So as you enter from the carport, you do enter right into the dining and the kitchen. So you'll see this has a nice arch in here, and there's another one on the other side. And then it is open at the top. So there is some areas that are original hardwood here and there, and then you do have some areas that does have the LVP flooring. I did want to point out these blinds, so you can open and close them so they're within the window, and then this lever raises them up and down, so you don't have to worry about them getting dusty. Very nice thing to have. So here's the kitchen. So it's nice and roomy. It does have original appliances and cabinets, but those could be painted. And then these are actually like peel and stick tiles. They're not actual like ceramic or mosaic tiles. But if you're far away from them, you wouldn't be able to tell. And there is a window over your sink to the outside. There's the water pressure. So you will need a new sink. As you see, there's some rust and like corrosion. And here's under the sink. And so here's the other arch, and this goes, there's the main entrance. This is the living room. So a good sized living room, great for entertaining, beautiful bay window, overlooking the front of the property. And this is where I said it's kind of like a tri-level. So you go down these stairs and that'll be the basement. And then you go up here and this is where all the bedrooms are. So again, you have hardwoods, and then we're back to the LVP. So you have original fixtures here. There's your water. And then here's under this cabinet. And you have a large linen closet in this bathroom. And then an original blue tub shower combo. That shower head is actually quite high if you're tall. But you can see it just needs some cleaning and repair, updating. And then you have a hall, another big hall linen closet. This might be your attic access, I'm not 100% sure. And then there is like old carpet flooring here, not the hardwoods. So here is a secondary bedroom. So it does have some built-in shelving. And then a closet. It has a light, but there might just not be one in there. But you can see there's a lot of stuff in here now. But it's got 2 shelves and a ton of space for clothes and hangers. This would be a full-size bed, so that does fit in here. And again, hardwood floors here. And then this is the other bedroom. So this bedroom feels a little smaller, I would say, than the one that we just came out of that has the full-size bed in it. And you can see, again, we have double shelves and a ton of space for clothes and hardwood. So this is what they call an old swamp cooler. So you would turn it on and it would exhaust the hot air out of the top of the house, and you would suck in the cool air outside like at nighttime. So here's the primary bedroom. So they do have a king size bed in here. So this room, you can see, is rather large. And it does have his and hers double closets. So again, double shelves and a lot of hanging space. And again, double shelves and a lot of hanging space. And then we'll go into the primary bathroom. It as well is a good size. It just has a single shower stall, which I will show you momentarily. So this has probably the best water pressure in the whole house. And under the sink here. So again, original appliances, LVP floor. This does have a window that looks out to the backyard. So here is the shower stall. So there is some cleaning that needs to be done and some updating, but overall doesn't look terrible. Like the structure seems solid. Now this is this is the switch, like I said, that goes to the swamp cooler. So now we will go back down. And actually, so they do not have the AC running at this point. They just have all the windows open and fans on. So we'll go down into the basement area. So this is just concrete flooring. So it would be probably very easy to go over this with some additional LVP. This door, so here's the windows that I was showing you at first. They are original windows. They go out to the front of the house. And then this is the door to the outside from the basement. So then you can see there's your neighbor. So there is quite a lot of space. It does look like this is an old, like, wood burning fireplace. Or not fireplace, wood burning stove, excuse me. It is wood paneling down here and a finished ceiling with just drop down. So you could probably put in maybe some recessed lighting instead if you wanted. And then in this part of the room, of the basement, excuse me, is your HVAC, which I'll take a picture of all of that for you. You have your stackable washer and dryer. And then another washer, so I'm pretty sure this is the washer, and then that washer probably does not work. And then they have the dryer here. I will take a picture of the electrical panel and send that to you. So this looks like it's like the water softener and the main pipe to the house. And then, so they had a central vac. I do not know if it still actually works. They did at one point. And then over here is just more storage. Alright, so that is the whole house. And so now I will turn off the video and I will send you some pictures as well. Thanks.